Okay, we're gonna get this dinghy loaded up with the laundry.
You can just stack it on top of that other bag.
Yeah.
Side. Wait.
Get a video of those? What are you doing now?
It ain't moving. Don't need video. It ain't moving.
So the clothes are clean, and we're heading back to the dink, huh?
Yep.
Alrighty, let's
make
do this.
dinner.
Go make dinner, huh?
Go make dinner, have a beverage.
Okay, so we got the bird down here watching the dock here. Hanging out there. Yeah, there he is, kind of hanging out there. Just hanging out.
Waiting on the fish.
Well, gonna do the fish thing. Alright, so out here you can see all the dinghy docks for all the dinks. And here we are. We're right here. Okay. We'll get things loaded up and be heading back to the mothership.
Hello.
Okay.
Getting in the dink.
Get the dinks loaded and we're getting ready to go here. I'm ready, baby.
Yeah, we're ready. Pretty nice that left side thing.
Yeah. Okay, coming into the mothership here. I got low battery, it says. Alright, so the dinghy's secure back on the swim platform of the boat here. We're back from the laundry run. And so since we're secure, that means it must be time for a toast. Toast time.
Toast time.
toast time.
It's not breakfast. Toast time.
Yeah.
No toast.
Okay, so got to service the Yeti. We got bags of ice, and
You don't want this. You want the other, don't you?
it's a wonderful day in the neighborhood.
Do you want this or the other?
The other. Okay, so we'll check back with you a little bit later, and so until the next time, we'll see you. Bye now.